What it do? What it do? What it do, man? The crew is back. The crew is back, yo. So everybody, welcome to Late Night Leverage with your boy Drez, Quadree, and I'm Zay. Tonight, man, we got a good one, man. We got markets at all-time highs. We got crypto going crazy. Uh Earnings season is in full swing. So yeah, we got some things to talk about. Fellas, how y'all doing, man? How y'all week been going? How was your day? All that good stuff. Talk to the people, man.
Well, had a good day today. As far as the week, been back and forth. Positive day, slight red day, positive day, slight red day. But that's the game, you know what I'm saying? So I'm doing all right though.
Word. Dre, how about you, bro? Shit, actually, before you even say it, you've been killing it. I already know, but I'll let you say it to the people. Crazyzilla don't lie.
Nah, it's been a good week. It's been a positive week. It's been patient. I've been so much better with my patience, waiting for the right setup. Been feeling good about my trade lately.
Good. Yeah, man. And I noticed you've been taking far less trades too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the one trade. I'll be like, all right, I got 40 points out of the market. I don't need no more.
Yeah. So yeah. What changed your what changed?
I'm seeing like instead of being in the up and down type of thing, I'll be in the move that is going at the right time. Like I'm catching the move that goes to my level at the time that I want it as late. So just being high time frame analysis being playing out on the small time at the time that I want it to happen. So
would you say, are you now going for like bigger targets? Because I know usually you do like, your
no.
15.
No, it just the day's been going my way, like the data been going that way.
Okay.
Just when it's at range one day that I gotta put my suit on and up and down.
Okay. That's what's up. That's what's up. For me, yeah, man. It's been a bounce back week for real. Been pretty good. Far less trades. Like you said, just sticking to my time, really sticking to my time frame and the levels that I'm seeing. And today was awesome because shit, I was done London. Like, the rest of the day, I just was chilling. I paper traded. I wish I probably wouldn't have locked my account because I was killing the YM today, yo. Oh my god. Setups was looking.
That's a good thing, though. That's that patience.
It was your day. Today was a trending day.
Yes, it was. I was like, Lord have mercy. I wish I didn't lock myself out, but at the end of the day, I ain't no more crash out. So, like you said, if I get my setup that I want, I'm holding it, I'm taking it, and then once I hit it, it's like, all right, cool, I'm done for the day. So, been a good bounce back week for sure. Yeah, man. So with that being said, fellas, I guess all-time highs and what we looking at tonight. So, for me, I'll kick it off. I'm already active. I'm in a gold short. Y'all know. In a gold short. But with that being said, man, market at all-time highs. I'll go through performance for the day real quick. So for everybody that's tuning in. Oh, before I get all into that, just disclaimer, right? Not a call out. This is not a call out service. So, trade at your own risk. This is not financial advice. You want to, trade futures is pretty risky. So you definitely want to consult with an advisor. With that being said, though, the ES, man, it took out all-time highs, man. It had a just under a 1% day, so 0.7%, up 43 points. So ES had a pretty good day. The NQ, bro, y'all NQ went crazy today, bro. New all time.
Yeah,
It definitely did.
Yeah, new all
we
time high
did.
up 200 points. Yeah, up 200 points, 0.88%. The YM had a pretty good day. Was up 300 points, 0.7%. And then you had the Russell. Had a pretty decent day, up 31 points,
Was up 300
1.39%.
points.
Um, and so yeah, all positive across the board. I would say that the Russell as well as the YM still have a little bit more catch up to do compared to what the ES and the NQ has done. And of course, so yeah, man. Pretty decent days, fella. Pretty decent days for real, for real. So yeah, for this evening, what you fellas looking at? Like I said, I will pull up my double screens now because I like to keep an eye on both markets here. Uh, but yeah, so and gold had a pretty good down day. It ended up wicking back up, but like I said, I was done. Uh, if I go to the 4 hour on gold, so last night I caught the opening trade and then I let it bounce up and then I got in at 30.50 and I caught this move here. I was out by this morning and then I was chilling. So
Nice.
Yeah, good day. So
That's a good
now
day.
I needed to come back down and retrace, huh?
It's a good day, bro.
Yeah. So
Good shit.
yeah, it was a clean day, as you say, Dre. Very clean, bro. Like
Yeah.
and for me, sticking to my 4 hour and then drilling into lower time frames to like maybe get a better precise injury, but really just stick it to the 4 hour is that main thing. Like definitely has made a difference maker. So I see price a lot cleaner, and yeah, it was very clean for sure. Very clean price action.
I call those straight stress free.
Yeah. So I
You
got your screen
get
up, Dre. What you looking at, bro, for this evening? I know you know in queue.
well. We just took some highs.
We did. We definitely
So,
did.
So you already know.
Yeah.
let's see.
Are you short already, Quadree?
No, I'm waiting for a
No.
little bit more confirmation, but
Okay.
like
You said what?
Yeah, I gotta be patient today.
Okay. Yep.
So new high. Let's see what happens in 7 minutes.
Got it. And then Quadree, what you looking at on your end, Brody?
no, I'm looking at the ES and the NQ and ES.
Mm-hmm.
Got them side by side. They like Dre said, they swept some highs.
Yep.
So I'll be looking for a short, but not yet. Still waiting. YM look like it's doing the same thing too. It's like kind of the same setup. Both swept the high.
Yeah, 7:30 is gonna be that time. So yeah, I know y'all be looking at that. Okay. Yeah. So who we got in the chat, man? Shout out to the chat. Who we got in the chat tonight? I see Cozy Baby is in the building. What's up? She said, "Let's go, boys."
What's going on?
5 standard deviation, Asian session range 271. She loves the DWPS, or I'm not sure. You know, Dre, you probably know what that is. I have no clue what she's talking about.
Yeah, DWP.
Quadrinos, not Quadrinos.
Yeah,
That's a trending day direction with.
Quebec. Yep.
Mhm.
Got it. Yeah, y'all got a whole nother language over there, bro.
Yeah.
I'm
Y'all
learning.
got acronyms, a whole different language, man. I love it. What's up, the Ascendant? And then we got Strat King is in the building. What's good, man?
My guy. It's cool, bro.
What's good? Welcome.
Oh, they passed. Let's talk about like far as topics. They passed the crypto bill.
Yes, that's why crypto been going crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Create that one. Ethereum, bro. Jeez, finally.
Mm-hmm.
Ethereum.
Yeah, right. Finally.
I
Finally.
know.
Yeah. Crypto been going crazy for us. Uh yeah, I ain't even gonna hold y'all on that note, man. You know, with all this stuff passing, we might finally get us an altcoin summer. So I threw a little bit of change on Trump coin.
See what he do.
He gonna pump that thing, bro.
Do what he do.
I caught it for under $10. So
Let
figured
me
I,
take a look at that.
I put a little, a little change on that thing
I might
in case they want to pump it up. Everybody was talking about $100 when they first came out, and then everybody got caught with the bag. So, it's back
That
down.
was one of them trick, yo. When I got in there, bro, I got so lucky. I just followed the herd, made it quick, like 100%, and got out.
Yeah, everybody, they was pumping that coin. I said, man, this is crazy, boy. But now that it's quiet, this is the time to get in.
Oh, look at that joint. Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's the time to get in.
That junk. Wow. They got a lot of.
Yeah. That's why I was like, I'll throw a little, a little lotto on that.
Free play.
No, I wouldn't say free play. This is pure speculation.
Yeah, this is a
pure
game.
Speculation, yo. I'm going on the fact that I think Trump gonna pump his own coin because he pump every goddamn thing. Pause.
That's not my lane. No comments.
Nah, but shoot, now every time they say something like he the Maverick, boy. Listen, you say something, you gotta listen, boy. Like,
I'm unconventional, bro. I like unconventional ideas. I like to exploit, unidentified opportunities that others miss, man.
It's because you said I'm about to buy something.
Look, $10 good risk reward, bro.
But look at it. Where
as a Maverick, bro, I love asymmetrical risks.
Look where this is at.
I have very limited downside compared to the upside that this coin offers. Right. I like that trade.
100%. Hell yeah. Yes, sir.
And like you said, Quadree, you look at them levels, bro. That thing got some shit. That thing just get back to $30. That's a 2x already.
Where is it?
That's easy. I'll take 200% quick. Give me that.
You know how these coins move, boy. It's one thing.
Exactly. All it takes is one day. We're gonna wake up one morning and you're gonna wake up, all you're gonna see is everybody tweeting, Trump coin is back, it's back. Get it in, it's going to $100.
Yeah. Oh man. Boy tweaking.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
1 minute till 7:30, fellas.
Yes, sir.
What's going on?
Let's see what pops off here. Here,
I get myself in the tray.
All right, let me see. Let's go check out your screen, Dre. Yeah, that's the Y. I'm gonna go look at the ES.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. We waiting on 7:30. Did y'all peep? Damian Lillard went back to the Trailblazers.
Yeah, they told me he don't want to win.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah, it seemed like he about to ride off to the sunset. His family there.
Yep.
I tell you one thing, he's gonna be one of the richest players ever.
Yep.
Yep.
For y'all in the chat, man, what y'all looking at? Anybody long? Anybody short? Cozy baby, what you on tonight? What you looking at? What you trading? All right, 7:30. Here we go. Yeah, I don't think we have any news tonight, do we, Quadree? I know tomorrow is we got OPEX, and then we got consumer sentiment, inflation expectations. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Nasdaq. So you Nasdaq all day. I got you.
Hell yeah.
At NQ.
Snipe.
Supposedly Wilder spoke at 6:30.
His comments already came out. He basically said, "Let's cut in July and then reassess the policy." I think he want Jerome Powell job, bro. I think he want Powell job, bro. Mm. All right, let's see what we're gonna do here.
Mm-hmm.
What did y'all think about Netflix earnings? So not much of a reaction for real.
Yeah,
But the numbers was good. Numbers were pretty solid.
We got Japan CPI. You came out.
It comes out or it already came out?
Just came out.
yeah,
At 7:30?
Yeah.
Oh shit!
It came out 7:30. It was nothing but it pretty much fell in line. But they call that like a yellow folder event though, so that's why I ain't say nothing.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm. 8 Sundays away from football. Nah, well, this week.
Yes, I cannot wait.
Ready
to strike.
Sir. Talk to us, Dre. What you see marking some stuff up here, preparing to make a trade, or you just looking at certain levels?
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I get long.
Are you thinking about going long?
Yeah.
Okay. Champs here. Yeah, man. I looking at what happened today, I'm kind of thrown off balance as far as what to expect for tomorrow, man. With it being OPEX, usually it's a very slow day. I feel like they probably will do the same thing, as far as another slow day, chop up premiums till probably towards the end of the day. So, in the morning, probably won't see much. Right now Netflix is pretty much flat. So they're gonna IV crush, whoever player earnings on that. Both sides. But once they open up, it might make a move. You know what I mean? Once they finish with the IV crush. But yeah, I mean, we sitting at 6,300 on the SPX, so it'll be interesting to see where we close. At the end of the day. If we look at the SPX on a weekly, we'll have first week is a doji. This week is, again, it won't be a major, depending on how tomorrow goes, it'll kind of be like another kind of, slow week, maybe doji, or, we might finish towards the upside. But next week, I think we will see major expansion. Whether it's, a directional move, whether it's up or down, considering the fact that, if we look at, we'll bring up the earnings calendar for next week real quick. So we take a look at next week's earnings calendar. You can see we'll have
loaded.
Huh?
That
Yeah,
thing
it's
is
loaded. This is week one of at least 25-30% of companies report, right? And next week the earnings calendar is, or not the earnings calendar, the macro calendar is very light. It's very light. And so it's going to be all about earnings, right? We'll be past all the data, stuff like that. So we got NXPI on Monday. Tuesday, when things start to kick off, we got GE Aerospace, we got ISRG, we got Raytheon. Wednesday, we got Tesla, Google, ServiceNow, GE Verona, IBM, Chipotle. Thursday, we'll have, I don't really know. I mean, there ain't no big movers there. I guess really it's going to be all about Wednesday. Tesla, Google. And then on Friday, again, some smaller names. That following week is when it get real though, because we have Meta, Microsoft on Wednesday, Robinhood, Land Research all on Wednesday. That Thursday is Apple, Coinbase, and a few others. That Tuesday you got Spotify, Visa. Now, mind you, this day right here is also FOMC day. This Friday is NFP Friday. This Thursday we get PCE. This Tuesday we get JOLTS. Yo, this last week of July is gonna be crazy, dog. It's so much information that last week between earnings and red folders. It's going to be
hell yeah,
freaking. It's gonna be freaking lit, bro.
Dang, buckle up.
Yeah, buckle up for sure.
Tesla is next week.
So, huh?
Yeah, I think
Tesla is next week.
Yeah,
when is
Wednesday.
Tesla? Yeah,
Wednesday.
Okay. In face.
Yes, Wednesday. Let me see what the implied move is.
probably 6, 5, 7%, probably.
We about to find out. Yeah, 6.63. Yep. And actually, you see what I'm saying? Like, it's way more names. We gonna have some more regional banks that report next week. You got T-Mobile. Like, I'm seeing a lot more names when I look at this calendar. So yeah, it's about to be hella names that report. All right, I am green on my short, baby. I need you to keep on coming down, baby.
Okay. Still waiting for my entry.
On NQ?
Yeah.
What you looking? What you trying to get?
He's looking to go long. I'm trying to go short, but we'll see.
I'll be honest with y'all. Looking at this 4-hour candle, I think this shit is just about to be a doji. So y'all gonna be scalping in the rain.
Yeah, I wouldn't go. Yeah, I wouldn't try to go.
I mean, looking at my high time frame, looks safe.
Hold on. I'll break mine down. Put yours up. All right, you got it, Dre.
We got a body close outside my yellow box. That's bullish. Now, either we pull back here in the middle and then go, or we keep going for the rest of the month. And yeah, that's the thing. That's the strict. It's bullish, but do we come back one more time and go, or we keep pushing? So for the rest of July. Yeah.
Expansion week next week, baby. Come on with it. 6450 and 6500. Come on.
Dang.
Come on.
So how many percent is that on years?
To get to 6450, 6500?
Yeah.
from where we are now.
Mm-hmm.
It's not a lot. Let me see.
I'll be like
If I go look at
3%.
SPX, no, it ain't even 3%.
No.
We are currently we closed the day at 62.97, so we almost at 63. So to get up to say, hold on, I got you. So to get up to 64.50 is 2.4%. And then to get to 6,500 is 3.2%. So you're right, Quadree. Damn. Okay. Yeah. I mean, all in all, if we get to 64.50, 6,500, that would be a 4 to 5% monthly gain for the month of July.
Mm.
Which you like we know July always finishes above most of the time.
Yeah.
So shit, it might, yeah.
The thing with
You
me
want to see?
is that my target was 23,000. I don't have no more target.
I mean, for the NQ, I mean, when you're making all-time highs, that's price discovery. So,
Right. So at this point, yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna tell you, this is what you could use, Dre, to help give you some targets, bro. Use percentages. So if you know the average monthly gain of the NQ, all right, let me do it like this. I'm gonna look here. So I'm gonna go to the NASDAQ or the NDX, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so if I'm looking at the NDX, I'm gonna put it on a monthly real quick for me, and then I'll tell you what. All right. So as of now, right, check this out. The month of May, the NASDAQ did 9%. The month of June, it did 6.27. If I look back, you can see November, it did 5.2. In June of 24, it did 6. May of 24 did 6. So looking at big monthly candles, the NASDAQ typically does anywhere between 6 to 9%. So given that right now, the NASDAQ is only up 1.7 for the month. Now, just to be conservative, let's just say it has a 5% month. Then 5% gives you, or would put the NDX at about 23,850. So if I use the NQ and do the same thing, right? If I'm looking at the NQ, the last NQ was 7.5. This one was 5.9. So if I do another 5% month for the NASDAQ or the NQ, that would give you a target of, because if it had a 5% monthly gain, then we're talking, wow, potentially it'd be 24,081. So 24,081 would be a 5% monthly gain. So,
all right. So
I don't know how that lines up with your methods, but that's one way.
Wow, this is perfect. Okay. So look, I have a note. Yeah, I got my final target is okay. I got a no target.
What you got?
So this 26,462.
God damn.
End of year target. That could be
Oh,
the
in the year target. Oh, I was just talking about end of July.
No,
I was
end
just
of
talking
year
about end of
target.
July. In the year. Okay, yeah. In the year. Okay, that's different.
Yeah, I'll tell you my target.
End of the year, that's good.
But this 23,000 was my target last year. Remember? We didn't get it.
We got it now.
Yeah, that's why. Like right here, we can win right here. Remember, I kept saying 23K, 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 and we fell short by 22,800. I got mad as hell. And then we dropped all the way down to the 50% of that leg. That's why. That's wild.
Hey Dre, so or go ahead, Quadri. What's your end of year target?
No, I'm saying shoot. For NQ, I say around 24.5.
It's so funny. We all right. So we're about to be in a row. So you said 24.5. Mine is actually I got 25,975.
For a year,
That's like
in a year.
that's extended for me.
But
What's that?
that's only that would be a 20% year-to-date gain for the NQ. If you go look at the average yearly gain for the NQ to NASDAQ, it's always the best gainer. I mean, if you think about it, in 2019, it did 26%, 2020 it did 37%, 21 it did 22%, and 23 it did 39%. Last year it did 17%. So it could easily do 20% this year.
All right, that's it. I'm going 20,000. I mean 25,000.
So
Because my next target after that one is 25,769.
oh, so we right there then. We right there.
Damn, I'm tight.
Why?
Cause I'm tight. I'm tight.
Why you mad, right?
Cause now, fuck. I deleted this fit out of my system.
You deleted what?
Not the fit out of my systems. Like I
Uh-huh.
took them away.
Uh-huh.
Like I didn't use them no more. Now that you started talking about them, I'm like, but let me put them back.
Bruh, them shits, they work, man.
Yeah. And now, yeah, I forgot about my targets. Because I used to like this was always on my weekly time frame, but I stopped going to the weekly. I most major in the 12 hour and the 15 minutes. And yeah, bro, it's playing now like to the T. It's playing now, bro.
I love to see it. I love to see it.
Yeah.
Man, we pushing, yo.
Oh yeah, damn. Right.
Yeah, Dre. I mean, you might want to pay attention. I didn't want to throw you off track, but we definitely are. NASDAQ is
It didn't get.
23,275.
It didn't can get me though.
Yeah, I was saying you might not have got your entry, but it's pushing up. Quadree, you catch anything or no?
No. Look like we're gonna run the rest. Look like we're gonna run the next 12 minutes.
Got
Wait till 8 o'clock.
Oh yeah, we about to hit 8 o'clock. You're right. You're right. Yeah, right.
Damn.
Here I'm in a trade so we can watch mine.
End of the year target for Bitcoin 250. Over or under.
Man, let me see. You asking if our target is over or under 250?
I'm saying that we had to bet. Somebody, I see the ones that I followed are very Bitcoin heavy. Like that's their target.
I'll be honest, bro. My initial target that I had set at the beginning of the year was
150.
No, I had like 185 to 187. So I don't know. 250 seems. Let me see what 250 would be. 250 is crucial. But I mean, I'll be honest.
That's like another 150% for the
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like if it got to 250, we're talking about that'd be 167% gain on the year. I mean, I had it at least doing 100%. That's why I had 185 to 187. But again, with some of this legislation and now 401ks about to be able to go and like 250 might be attainable, bro. Like I ain't even gonna hold you. So I'm gonna say for now, end of the year, I'll stay under though. I'll say, like I said, I'll stick with my 185, 187. But I possibly could even see 200,000 if it really pushes. 250, yeah. I wouldn't be mad. But I don't know. You know, that seems I'd say 250 maybe in 2026 or something like that. But I don't know, man. With some of these things they doing, bro, it's obtainable.
250? I think so, bro.
You say yeah?
Yeah. Hell yeah.
By end of the year?
Yeah.
Well, Trump
Blow
coin
up
to
top.
100, baby. Very Quadree.
Bro. It's
Trump coin to 100, then I'll take it.
wow, boy. But what is that? That's a 10x.
What? Yeah, that'd be yeah, from $10 to $100, 9x, 10x. Yep.
You know who I got? Bull been running, man.
Has it? I ain't even.
Yeah.
I remember you called it out to folks.
It was at $15 today. It was up.
Oh, it hit 15 today. Okay,
yep.
Nice. Yeah, let me see. Yo, you know what I'm like tight about though? The market makers are really testing my patience because they have Apple pinned so bad. Like when it finally release, I don't want to hear nobody talking about they want to pull back on Apple. I don't want to hear that shit because it's giving you a chance. Because when it finally fucking let loose, it's over. It's going to be gas city straight, dog. I don't want to hear no talk about no. I don't want to hear no pullbacks, no nothing. Give me all gas, no break, bro.
We have
crazy.
That's safe.
I know you tight, Dre. That joint just move crazy. But
I know. I'm tight.
What, the NQ did?
Yep.
Yeah.
But prime example, look how they did AMD.
Right, that's what I'm saying. They holding it for a long time, and now look, AMD just keep going and going and going.
Yeah.
You really gotta do that video for the end of the year.
Oh, I might actually do one. I might do one going into August. a little, because I did the first one. I reposted. I think I did it in November or December.
Bro, that's crazy, bro. Like,
actually, let me look. I'll go on. Let me go look on.
I know it was cold when it came out.
It was definitely cold. It was towards the end of the year. Here, let me look.
I think it was January. I think no, February.
Nah, it wasn't January. It was I want to say I published this video. Shit. Let me go back. Okay, so I posted it 7 months ago. So I did this December 12th. Yep, I did it December 12th. I did it December 12th is when I published it. And so yeah, it'd be a nice little. I'm gonna do a little update. I need to rewatch it to see what I said. Rewatch it, see what I said, and then I'm gonna do a we back. Here's the one thing. One thing I distinctively do remember I said was that it was a long-term play. Like you need to give it time. So I do remember that for a fact.
Yes, sir.
So
let's see.
Going on 8 o'clock, fellas.
Going
on 8 o'clock.
I'm thing left without me.
But what you was waiting for to get to the 50?
I was waiting to get to the 250s, to get loud to that wick. I wanted to get to that wick.
That's like the same area. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the equal.
Mm-hmm.
One thing I hate about the summer, it'd be cold. The minute I turn my AC on, it'd be cold in here like an ice box. The second you turn it off, be in here is
Let's see. Patience pays, bro. That's another thing today that I've been doing. I let the price get to me. Nah, I don't chase no more.
That's good.
I used to be chasing a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if it don't come to me, I don't be like, nah, gonna leave without me.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's funny you say that because the same way you say like you let price come to you, I do the same thing as far as like I know there's a specific area where from a higher time frame, like I know if I get in here, as long as it don't break a certain area, I just have to just hold it and let it time do it. You know what I'm saying? Be patient, like you said, and let it do what it do.
My thing now is this is my thing I put in my head. The closer you get to my what I'm gonna put the stop loss, the better my trade is.
Like as far as your entry.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I've heard people say that use your stop as your entry.
So if I had that in my mind, I'd be like, I used to get like when I used to get on the trade, I used to let it happen and then I get in. But then I'd be like, damn, I be in drawdown $800, 900. I'd be like, no need to be $800 in drawdown if you wait for the entry that you want it.
Yeah.
Down there. So why you wait to get in the trade to happen and then get in? So I get in when it's actually going there. I mean, and if it stop me, stop me.
Yeah. But you by doing that, you got very minimal drawdown.
Yeah, that's the thing.
You know what I mean? And so that's what I'm saying. Same way with me. It's like if I take the entry I want, if I'm wrong, I could deal with it because I have minimal drawdown. Where if I, like you said, if I wait for it to get there, then I want confirmation and all that. Then by the time I get in, I'm second guessing. It's like, nah, when it get there, take it. If you're wrong, you know where you're gonna be wrong at. You'll deal with minimal drawdown, and you can go from there.
Yeah, exactly.
So I feel you, bro.
Like
Come on,
I took a short yesterday. I short market open. I short that short, and everybody knows that I go for 15 points. But that trade, I'm gonna hold for long because it's 9:30. I know that price is gonna run. It's going somewhere,
Well, actually, that short that you caught, that we called that Tuesday night.
Yeah,
when we were on the show, we said it was gonna go up.
Yeah.
That was the trade.
Let's go back. Yeah, we did.
That was the trade.
Yeah, that's true.
Carl is in the building. Did. What's good, gang? What's good, Carl?
What's good, gang? Yeah, exactly.
Let's go. That short, right on time, 8:00.
Yeah, he knows. But exactly, yeah. Now that you remind me, yeah, we call that. I waited. Let's go. Let's see. Let's go back to that. Yeah.
I got you. Here, go ahead. You can do. You can replay it. Yep.
What day was that?
What's up, Shauna? You in the building? What's good? You, Shauna, you short gold? You short gold with me? That's my girl, yo. We've been stalking gold.
All right, here.
Yeah, go ahead, Dre. My bad. I ain't gonna cut you off.
No, that's all right. So that was we were here Tuesday night. Night. We were saying we already took the pre-12 low. I was like, I don't like this close. I was like, nah. And I say, if we get somewhere in this area, this is the area to not here. Like, I wouldn't be short here. I didn't want to be short here. So no, shout out to Max. He took this long. I don't know. He took TP or letter I don't know what happened to him,
Yeah, I don't.
but when
Yeah,
we can't,
I don't know because he said he was holding it, but that night it came down and tore people up. I know that.
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So right here, we can't. But this is the area I wanted. But this, it did enough for me to know that it was not going nowhere after this. And I took this that day. That was the higher day area for this day.
hmm
With the data, with the daily profile, and I just took the short, boom, and all the way to target. This was my target. Then
Nice.
me and Carr, we launched this like a sniper. Me and him took this long all the way back to market open. We were, and it happened so fast. We like, yo, low, 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 boom, and it played out. But today was different. Today was, I took my short this morning, and I took my profit and stopped playing with it. I didn't know what I was gonna do after. I was like, nah, I'm done. No more trade
Good
for
thing you
me.
did, because
Yeah,
good thing you did, because we floated up all day.
yeah, yeah.
We floated up
Quadree
all
got
day.
it up.
Yes, I did.
Quadree, Quadree took this. This is his move. This is the Judah swing. Shout out to ICT.
Yes, sir.
He fake. Oh, we're going short. We're gonna get that low. Yeah. Comes here, reverse.
hmm
Boom.
hmm
No, yeah, I caught the long. I didn't catch the short. I caught the long. I was patient. I got the big one.
I'm saying, this is the Judah swing.
Yep.
Short is faking everybody out. We're gonna go short to this liquidity right here. Oh my god. And it said, nope.
Very funny, yo.
Yeah, cause that thing look nasty, bro. Look at that. Yo, this shit looks nasty. Look at that. You're gonna tell me you trading that joint. You're gonna tell me, oh, we going for that short after you see that candle. Well, now you can because he went back, but yeah, bro. And boom. Dang. Yeah. Quadree. You sure, baby?
Not yet. Waiting for the confirmation. Not not sold yet, brother.
Let's see. See if I can be sure with you. How you gold trade doing, sir?
It's good, but here I'll show you. It's working.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm keeping a close eye on it because it's at some of my moving averages, and it likes to like and the way gold move, yo, that jank
Mm-hmm.
will bounce so fast. So I went down to a 15-minute to like really look and see like what's popping. So on a 15-minute, you can see it's trapped in between here. But again, from my 4 hour, I like what I'm seeing. The only thing is from my 4 hour though, it's sitting right on again my moving averages. So if it can't really break through these, then it might, try to bounce up. And I don't really want to. I'm not trying to sit in this all night again. So I just, kind of moved it to a little bit where break
Yeah.
even. Well, not even break even. I get stopped out with a little bit. I have a little bit of green, small win, but it's at a point where if it does retrace up and get me, I'm cool
Mm-hmm.
because then I think most likely it's gonna probably keep going back up, and at that point, I'll let it move up like it wants to do, and then I'll try to catch it at 10 o'clock or something. So,
Yeah.
but I was looking on my phone and like the daily and the 12 hour, they look good for the rejection. So that's
Mm-hmm.
why I'm like, hopefully it gives me the flush I want. If it gives me the flush I want, then I know I'm all right.
Mm.
But like on the daily, you can see how it's trapped in between my two moving averages right here. So I really wanted to break this orange. And at the same time, you can see a lot of structure here, here, here. So like, if we can really get the flushing, it'll be pretty good. So yeah, I'm with you, coach. She said flush gold. I do. I wanted to flush, but they might play around with it for a little. But damn, the ES is pushing, bro. We at 63.50 almost.
Yeah, it's tough to be a short.
Huh?
It's tough to be short at all times. I mean, shit, it's tough.
Yeah, bro.
That's why I said long.
Yeah.
Everything.
And
I'm playing.
let's go. Jeez. I'm gonna tell you what else is pushing. RTY.
Mm.
Look at Russell over here going crazy, up 6 points already.
Dang. Okay. Yeah, boy. Yeah, Quadree. I don't know about short tonight.
Cody said all time high, likes to spread his wings and fly. Yeah. Yes,
That's
yes,
right.
yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
We're going
Shit, I'm
to.
kind of mad. I'm fucking with this short and gold. I should have just went long the indices. I would have been good. See, look, I think they about to try and get me.
Hmm.
See, this 1 hour going.
Yeah.
They watch it. I'm about to say they're gonna get me, and then they're gonna turn that thing around. But I'm okay. That's fine. Yep, told you. I knew they would stop me out. All right. So let's see what gold does. And also too, Dre, that's another reason why I wanted to keep it tight because looking at the hourly on gold, it is holding this
Hmm.
200. My emails is sloping up. I mean, it had a
Mhm.
pretty nice drop. So
Hmm.
yeah. Damn, look at that.
Hmm.
Took my stop and reduced it. Son of a gun.
Two.
Oh my god. You son of a. That's one of those times where I had it too tight. Oh man. That's fine. It frees me up to get into something else, so I ain't tripping. I ain't tripping. Damn.
Yeah.
Why is it in-
See what happens.
All right, let me go look at these indices here.
Mm-hmm.
So we got ES is making a move on an hourly is okay. So made a move at what's this 7? So here we are at 8. Dre, you think the lower is in for the day?
On who? On the 8?
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
it could be
Hmm.
NQ or it could be the NQ or the
Nah,
ES. No.
I don't think so. No. Mm-mm.
Hmm.
What data we got tomorrow?
Consumer sentiment and inflation expectations.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Bro, I think it's the Dow and the Russell are going. They are going to move, bro. They got some catch up. I think the low could be in for those.
Maybe.
I think they just gonna run. I think they just gonna run all night, especially the
Let's see.
Russell. I might get back into my gold short, bro. I'll just do one contract for now. Yep. All right, you got me in. I'll do one for now. Let's see how this go. One for now, and that way it's a small risk. Move my stop there. Take profit will be down here. I could let this run all night if I want. Whew, come on, RTY, do that damn thing.
Quadree is in the zone.
Yeah,
He locked in. You in the trade, Quadree?
He looking.
I'm looking, but
All right, let's go. Let's pop it up. Talk to the people. What you looking at, bro?
I want to short it, but it don't. I might have
do
to.
it. Don't do it.
No, like I see it on the one. I don't trade the 1 minute, but I see it on the 1 minute. But so I just got it framed out, and we see how it's going. So, and then we also sitting on the equilibrium of the previous hour. So, Dre already know about how that move.
Sure. Let me see. Okay.
I got it at 45. What's that? 46.8 maybe?
Because technically on the 15 minute we sweeping.
46.8.
I don't like that. You know, I don't like that.
You don't like what?
No, I'm straight.
Let me see.
If anything, we get continuation to the upside.
Power Move said market probably not going to do much tomorrow. Yep, we kind of talked about that Power Moves. You know, with it being July OPEX, expect a lot of penning action, and then probably maybe towards the last hour or so, you might see a little bit of action as you know, monthly options are closed out and you see some roll action. But yeah, next week is the week that I'm looking forward to. That is the week, based on my analysis, that I believe we'll see some expansion, whether it be to the upside or the downside. But I think that's the you know, next week is that week. Let's go, man. Who's doing the clicking? That's you, Dre?
Yeah.
What you let's see what you clicking, because I know you doing some analysis.
Yeah. About to get this long, bro. Let's go.
I like it. If you go long, gold coming down. I like it.
I might have to take that same trade with him. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, I'm just saying, don't look like this market want to cool down.
Who am I to slow this market? This market is all time high, baby. Who am I? Let's go up. Let's go up, baby. Come on. New 15 minutes. Yeah.
Yep, new 15 minute. Let's go. Come on.
Yeah, get that confirm right there.
Mm-hmm.
Down to go along.
Mm-hmm.
1 second. Oh, yeah.
Let's go. He said, when are we going to see you on Top Step TV tearing it up, Dre?
Check that.
Carl.
Car? You let me know, Car.
Yeah.
You got the keys. Nah, I gotta end myself there. I got one more day to pass the account. And let's see. I'm gonna prove myself to them. If I
They're going to get you on there.
I get invited the right way. Yeah. Let's see what happens.
Did you go long?
No.
Not
I
yet.
should have.
I'm like, golly.
Damn.
I did.
You did?
You got in?
Yeah.
All right, hold up. Let's see. Let's see what you got, bro.
Let's go, Quadree. Yeah, man.
My boy Brian said he long NQ as well. Let's see.
Who said that? Brian?
Brian, yep. The Ascendant is the username.
Let's go.
Little cash flow. We get 50, risk at 28 and 56. What's crazy when you trading on the day, these candles be worth way more points.
Oh, hell yeah.
That's like a 4 gap. That's like 100-point gap.
I
said, wait, that's only $56?
Yeah.
No, I gotta get at least 100. I can't do that.
Yeah.
There we go.
Let's go. What's your target? 15?
Yeah. Quicker to FICO. Yo, y'all heard that Clips album? That joint's fire.
Bro, crazy. I've been playing it nonstop.
That's around your area too.
It is. Bro, they're literally. So first of all, I know them personally.
Oh, word.
Like I grew up with their nephew, and they used to come inside neighborhood. So Malice got a son that's around my age. So when we was growing up, he used to bring his son around my homeboy crib, and we used to chill. So I met them when I was young. So I known them for a long time. Shit. Matter of fact, I knew before they put the grinding song out and all that shit. I had met them.
So you. Oh yeah.
I'm a day one fan. You know what I mean? But yeah, I've been listening to that joint nonstop, bro. Like that joint is. That is for me. That's like that speaks to me. That's real rap. I can't get with these.
Bro, that's for me, bro.
I can't get with these young boys that be mumbo jumbo and all the fucking sound effects. So when I heard that, I was like, "This is real rap. We back.
Finally, we back, baby.
We back. Real rap exists. Like these is real bars. Like some of the stuff they say. Every time I listen to it, I hear something new, and I'm like, yo, whew. They got some punchlines on that album.
My song on there is POV.
POV. I don't really like Tyler the Creator, but he had an alright verse on that.
Yeah. I don't like him like that either, but he can rap.
Yeah, he did alright. And so Quadree, I will say when I first listened to it, the song that stuck out to me immediately, it was FICO. But the more I listened to it, dog, I really can't have a favorite. It's so many songs I like. Like, first it was FICO. Then I really started listening to like Chains and Whips every 5 minutes. Like Kendrick go crazy on that joint. Chains and Whips is crazy. Then after Chains and Whips, after Chains and Whips, my line brother told me, he was like, bro, that joint, By the Grace of God is crazy. So I listened to that, and then I'm like, damn, that is like By the Grace of God is crazy.
About to go crazy tomorrow.
And then today, the song that has just stuck out to me is she won Mike Tyson blows to the face. Yo, that joke go crazy, dog. Boom, boom, yo. And then I'm gonna just say this. Pharrell, his production top notch.
Yeah.
Like he always put on for them, bro. He give them
I ain't
the
gonna
best.
lie though, bro. It's not like a New York album. It's not like a New York album.
Yeah. First of all, did you know that Clips broke in Philly? Like that's where they got their break.
No, I didn't. I don't know.
I ain't know that either until I watched the because these boys, they've been on a hell of a press run. So I watched the Fat Joe and Jada podcast, and they talked about that's where they got their break at was in Philly. But again, I had known them, so I'm like, well, damn, I shit. We knew y'all in VA, y'all was good, but
yeah,
I didn't know they got their big break in Philly. So. But yeah, that album.
I've been craving for an album like that from anybody. I mean, Kendrick had a good album too, but like with just straight bars though,
yeah,
we don't get that at all.
And you know what's crazy, bro? Man, Malice, he did not come to play.
No, I ain't know him.
Like he did not come to play, bro. Every song he tearing it down, bro.
I did not know he was.
God, boy.
I did not know he was 52.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Still got that flow. He don't look it. I tell you that though. Shit, black don't crack.
Yeah, this shit not moving, bro. Let's go.
It might have made its move already for Asia as far as our range. The ES up 7 points right now.
Mm-hmm.
You got hold up. Let me look at the 4. So yeah, you got ES up 7 points. RTY, shit, that shit up almost 7 points. That's moving pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
The Dow up 85 points. That's moving pretty good. The NQ is up. Yeah, the NQ, that's the one it's kind of stuck like Chuck. It's only up 13 points.
Mm-hmm.
It's the other indices that are showing life. And then you got gold. Gold look like it's ready to puke. Come on, man. Stop playing. She wanna Mike Tyson blows to the face. I'm surprised you didn't catch me saying it, Quadree, because I kept saying it when we yeah. Who we got for Ernest tomorrow, bro? I know we got somebody.
Right in the morning.
Huh? Yeah, I'm pretty sure we got somebody. Let me take a look. We got tomorrow morning. We got a regional bank. We got 3M. We got Truist, another regional bank. We got Schlumberger, SLB. We got American Express, AXP. We got Charles Schwab. I love Schwab. You got Ally tomorrow too. Okay. Yeah, so there's a few okay little names that report tomorrow morning. Oh, okay. Michael Williams said he is short the NQ. Okay, what's up, Mike?
Mike? Our Mike? That's our Mike?
I'm not sure. Or I don't know. Michael Williams. I mean, that's his. When you say no, that's not Mike from.
That's Mike. Mike Short. Oh, okay.
No. That ain't Mike from the Runners. I know that.
Good shit. What's your target, Mike? Michael?
You got out, Quadree?
No.
You on mute, bro. I think you on mute. You on mute.
Yeah, I cut it. No, I ain't like that.
I feel you. Oh, what's good? What's good, Mark? All ground Mark. Appreciate you tapping in. What's good, brother?
Hmm.
Quadree, you said
Let's go.
I'm out of there, huh?
No, I do not like that.
Boy said I ain't.
Yeah, you gotta get lower for me to get in.
Let me see what NQ doing. Okay, I understand. I understand it. She wanna Mike Tyson blows to the face.
Mm-hmm. Go. Yeah. 3 more minutes.
What's for three? Oh, at 8:30.
8:30. Yeah, 15.
Uh, let's see. So Shauna said, "Come on, gold," and then oh my bad, Quadree. You showing
Nah,
your stats?
yeah. Talk about consistency away.
Mike said he targeting. Oh, you targeting new day opening gap. Ooh. He said he got a tight stop though. Tight stop.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go. Good shit, Mike.
Mhm. Um, let me go look at something else. What the hell is my thing?
Wing sweep. I don't like none of this. Wing sweep nothing.
What?
Mm.
No, like what I like to see.
I know we bullish. That's all I know. But where to get in is my problem. Yeah.
Mm.
I would like us to get here. 272.
Mm-hmm.
Bounce off.
I want. I'm greedy. I want 240s.
Come on, gold.
You trying to get back in? Say. Let's see.
I'm back in. I got back in.
That. Oh, okay. Let's go.
Yeah, here I'll show my trade. Yeah, man. I'm mad about that stop, but I got back in. I'm back in.
Hmm.
Let's see. We got oh, your boy is here, Dre. Daily
Ooh.
profiling. What's good, man?
Ooh.
Daily
The
profile in
goat.
the building. Okay, said what's for Apple,
That's
Zay? That joint ain't doing she. It's what would I say?
so, baby.
It's accumulating. 2K crypto. Just be patient. Be patient. When
Hmm.
I was just talking about Apple earlier. Be patient with Apple. When it does finally, first of all, it already broke out, technically. Right. It spent 70 days in the range. When we broke out and got above 203.93, for me, that was my confirmation. Okay, we're gonna start moving up. So long as we stay above and hold above 205, 207, then
Mm-hmm.
Apple is just accumulating for that next leg up to about 215, 220. So just be patient. I was actually looking and doing some analysis on Apple, and if it finishes the week with another doji candle, uh I'm looking for it to possibly make like a 10% plus move next week or the week after. It's gonna be a real big move on Apple.
Yeah.
So just be patient. Just be patient. Man, Apple need to be very actionable. Again, be patient, be patient, dog. They got look, Apple is gonna be fine.
Hmm.
Apple is going to be just fine.
Let's see. What's going on, Brandon? What are you looking at? I know this
8:30,
is not
Dre.
your time. Yeah. Yes, sir. We finally got the clothes we want to see. Hmm.
That joint look ugly.
What look ugly?
How these candles look.
New highs, baby.
Boy.
Ooh. Okay. There you go.
What?
We're down. We're dropping.
Well, we're moving down a little bit.
Yeah,
Let me go
thank
look at the
you.
NQ. I know
Yeah.
y'all. I'm gonna watch the NQ a little bit. Let me see.
Uh-huh.
Not doing much
Mm.
here. Allground said, man, I'm tired. Open AI beating them to the punch. Again, it's all good, man. You know, it's rumors that Apple might make a purchase and buy Perplexity AI.
Mm.
But listen, man, when it comes to Apple, bro, as long as they have the ecosystem they have, as long as they
Mm-hmm.
still making 80, 90 billion a quarter, it's a solid business. I think the issue that most people have with Apple is they're looking for growth type of numbers from Apple, but it's not really a growth company anymore. It's more of a value tech, consistent grower type of play, right? Now you got to understand, you catching Apple at a 20% discount right now because it's still negative, like about I think 19 or 18% for the year, something like that. So if you're looking at a consistent grower that gives you 15, 20% per year, then you want to catch it when it's down 20, because in actuality, if you catch it down 20 and it gives you 20, then you actually getting like 40, 50% gains. So again, getting it here at this 200, 210, just understand that just for Apple to be flat on the year, it has to get back to 250 by the end of the year. So if Apple does have a 10, 15% year, that still puts Apple at 275, 280 by the end of the year. That's a $70 run from where it's at right now. Gotta be patient.
Yeah, you don't believe? Look at AMD.
Gotta be patient.
You know that dude who bought all them shares, yo?
That guy that's in that video, Jeremy, he lit.
No, I'm talking about the private institutional
Oh,
buyer.
the insider guy.
Yeah, yo, he up.
He eating. Eating. He eating good too.
Who's that?
The guy that did the insider buys on AMD.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Gucci. Come on. You drop it, baby.
I know, man.
Come get me.
Come on, man. Come on, Gold. I need you to take a dip.
Mm-hmm.
Bruh, you know what's funny, fellas? Last night Asia was popping, and that was our normal night.
Right.
Our normal night. Now here we go. We said, all right, we're gonna give y'all Thursday. Thursday, slow as fuck.
Be like that, man. That's how it goes.
Oh man, you gotta love it, bro.
Yes, sir.
Gotta
Patience,
love
babe.
it. Dude.
Patience.
If gold can get down to Shauna, if gold can get to like 3, if it can get down to 38, we are going to be working with a little some. We really needed to take this out.
Oh.
It's taking its sweet time, but it looks like it's ready to fold.
Mm.
By the grace of God. Y'all got plans for the weekend, fellas?
What's this weekend? Not yet. I don't know yet. Nothing yet. Yeah, I saw that fight last week.
What fight?
The girls?
No.
You talking about Stevenson?
Bro, I didn't even know he was fighting until it was over, bro. They snuck that.
Nah. Listen.
That's a good fight. It was a good fight.
Listen. Oh, boy.
You talking about Shakur, right?
Hell yeah. My boy looking like Floyd out there, boy.
I don't know about all that, man.
I didn't see all that.
Not like that.
No, but you know what? A lot of people was
real talk.
a lot of people was hyping him up and was saying that that he had great defense. He stood in the pocket. I'll say this was his best fight that I've seen. This is the first fight where legit I didn't see him running around, you know what I mean, dancing. He stood in the pocket. He fought. You know what I mean? It was a good fight.
He said, "I'm not a little boy. Yeah, doubted me. Yeah,
right.
I'm not a little boy. Come see me. Yeah, boy."
Right. Grind said gold 336, 50% of the previous day. Bro, I'm looking. I'm what I want gold to come down, so I'm short gold. For real. I'll be honest with you. Well, I'm always honest, but I really wanted to come hit this gap. So you saying 336? I do have 336 mark, but shit, I wanted to come down here to that. Revisit today's lows if you want to. On another note, power moves. You are right. Abdullah, that young kid, he's the truth. Abdullah, the truth. So is Keyshawn, but he messing up the money. Another 7. Look, that's another dude from the 757 Quadree. He from my area too.
Oh, word.
Keyshawn Davis. He from Norfolk.
Yeah.
But he messing up the money. What about you, Quadree? You got any plans for the weekend? My boy be outside.
I think this weekend I'm relaxed.
Hey, Dre, that's how you know Quadree got kids, dog.
Right.
My boy be outside.
Bro, I be like,
I be watching his stories. I be watching his stories. He be in the club. Hey.
I be up, getting up.
I'm living vicariously through you, bro.
Facts. I be like, my boy lit. I wake up at 3 in the morning.
I'll be saying that. I'll be like, yo, my boy rooftop and stuff. I'll be like, yo, my guy is living.
Yeah.
When you live by this, you live by that city. I ain't doing nothing this weekend though. Lock in.
Locking in.
Because I'm already.
I ain't know. Go ahead, my bad, Quadree.
Yeah, I'm looking at the calendar like, yo, summer damn near over.
Right.
I like it.
Like, yo, for real.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. That means football season's close.
Yeah, but I don't like the cold. I mean, I like the cold. I like you get to wear different stuff, but it's like summer, like for a couple weeks. That's it. That's how I feel like.
Yeah.
Nah, but no plans, man. Next week I'll be on the South Carolina.
Word.
They got family down there.
But yeah, I ain't got no plans either, man. Probably just chill out. Just chill out. But power moves, yes, sir. I wasn't born in the 7.5, but I was raised in the 7.5. I was originally born in Jersey, and then we moved to the 7.57 when I was a youngin'. So, but yep, man, I went to high school in Chesapeake. You know what I'm saying? I know all about Norfolk, Virginia Beach. I used to tear the 7.5 up, boy. Oh man, the good old days.
Hell yeah.
Good old days. That's back when Virginia Beach was actually popping, dog.
I heard it used to be like a little free nick down there.
In the 90s? Yeah. Dog, Virginia Beach was the spot in the 90s. But as things progressed, the police and them, they got a little bit more strict, and they started, just taking all the good stuff away. Like you couldn't, people used to go down to the ocean front, dry their whips and stuff and top down. Then they started coming out with like all these stupid laws and stuff. So yeah, they really like turned it down. But I actually think they're trying to rebuild the beach back up again though. So
gotcha.
Cause Pharrell, he used to do he started doing his concert out there, the sit in the water concert.
Nah, I did not. You never hear much about that one going out there.
Oh, yeah,
they only talk about Virginia like that.
No, that joint was lit. I think he not doing it this year, but he had it on the beach. He did it like 2 years in a row. That joint was popping. Yeah. He said they used to call up that way. Yeah, 7 cities. Yep, 7 cities. Because you got Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, Norfolk, Portsmouth, Newport News, Hampton, and Suffolk.
I also said Virginia Beach to give a discrimination letter to the organizers.
Dave said Pack Team Tuesday. Let's go, Dre.
Who said?
David Miller.
Oh, my guy. That's my guy. That's my guy Miller. Yes, sir. Hey, big shout out to Miller. Yes, sir. What's going on, bro? Thank you for tapping in, bro. Yeah. Zay, I think I'm gonna get this long. Um,
I'm very comfortable with this right here. Come on, man. On a daily, I need to see this thing just start breaking down. What's why? What's the YM doing? It's still doing pretty decent. How about the RTY? Ooh, still making this move. I see you.
yeah, let's see if we get to 264. 23 264s.
He said the more I trade, the more I realize we are all the same. What you mean by that, Mike? What you mean by that, Mike? TJ said, "Nah, that ain't Mark." Not sure.
What we were talking about.
They probably talking to each other in the chat, but Mike, what you mean by that, bro? What you mean we all the same, bro? I know you don't mean it in like a bad way, but elaborate, please. Elaborate. How we analyze the market. Got it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, what's your background? ICT?
Yeah, how you trade, Mike? What's your background, bro? Power Move said, y'all ever check out 6J? What is 6J? Y'all know what that is?
Yeah, like 4X.
Japanese. A Japanese gem.
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't look at that. I didn't even know what it was, so you know I don't look at it.
I know what it is. Yeah.
Nah, that's not my lane, B.
Right. Not my lane.
Let's go. 20. I need to see if we get this popping, bro. See if we get this popping.
Bro, it made the move to. It's crazy we got the short, but it didn't give me the setup that I wanted.
No entry for me.
Didn't fit my criteria.
Yeah. Not my trade to take. That's it.
Being patient, Dre. We love it. Discipline.
Yeah, ICT model 2022 is my bread and butter. Yeah. Yeah, that's how I started too. ICT 2022. And everything there. Shotgun Saturdays. Oh my God. Was live and die ICT, bro.
Right, King said, "Give him a gem, Dre."
Huh? Give him a gem.
I've been Jay for years, though. Well, I appreciate that, Mike. I appreciate that. I you know what's funny is we probably might have chatted or something. I just because your YouTube name, I'm trying to figure out. Like I know a lot of Michaels, so he said I always gave good time. Appreciate that, brother. I try, man. You know, I try to, try to keep it straightforward. You know what I mean? Very insightful. You know, I try to give a complete, comprehensive picture if I can. But Dre, you got a gym for Strat King tonight? He want a gym, bro.
Let me see.
What you got, man? We need a teaching moment.
That I got today for the crew.
Mike, are you saying you out of your trade or you leaving the chat? Either way, you did hit your target, so congratulations, brother.
Mm-hmm.
And then Strat King said, I've been following Zay since he was on Twitter with 7. Yeah. Hey, did you know 7 went into the military, dog? I didn't even know that. He went into the military. So I think he I forgot what branch, but yeah, 7. Shout out to my frat brother 7. And then Cozy Baby say facts. Dre, what you got for the gym? You want me to pull up your screen? I'll pull up your screen.
I'm thinking. Let me see what I come
Trying to
in.
think about what. Let me think about what. Oh, okay. He said I'm out to trade, but I'm gonna hang with you. Okay, cool. Yeah. Mike, we definitely is on good vibes, man. We talk about sports, we talk about life, we talk about trading, talk about the market, all that good stuff. Yo, Strikey said, I wonder where he went after switching to sports bets. Yeah, you wild, bro. Yeah, he did. He did kind of like fall off the map. Like I ain't seen him on Twitter or nothing. And then one day he popped out and he had like his little graduation hat on and all of that stuff. So yeah, clearly he went into the military and he back outside though. I'll tell you that. I don't know if he's like on sports betting or trading stuff, but yeah. But my bad. Go ahead, Dre. I'm interrupting.
No, let me see what I see.
I'm trying to think about a gem you might be able to share, Dre. You know what, Dre? I got a good one for you. I think that'll be that. At least it helped me. And it's not necessarily like a level thing or anything like that, but just talk about how or share with the folks how you practice, meaning your back testing methods. Because I got to say, you probably one of the most thorough back testing dudes. Like that. You really put me onto the replay button and just like we say, watching game film, right? So I think if you could share a little bit about what are the things you practice, how do you practice, what do you look for, and then how does that like benefit you in your actual trip?
All right, so okay, so I learned. I didn't know what you sharing my screen. Yeah, I didn't know what this little button means before. Like I never used it. I never utilized it. I never whatever. What that means? Replay. Like what are you talking about? And in the group that I'm in, aside from the runners, they preach back testing, like back testing and data, like how to get data through back testing. But I use it in a way that I go back into my trades. How I did I have something called Drazilla. So every trade I take, it gets recorded there. So during the weekend, I come back into the trades and I basically replay the day. Like I go back to Monday, I go back here, I put it, I start the whole week again. And I say, okay, I be like, how would I take this trade different than what I take it from? Meaning, what would I do like game watching game film? Like, why would I done different on this trade that I did before? Like, would I had a better entry if I waited longer? Um would I see it better? Would my risk reward be better? And basically play the day again, the whole week again, look every trade I took for the week, and going my levels, like marking. Actually, like I go, okay, at this time this happened, so I mark it down. Be like, all right, next time I see what Asia London did. Okay, well, 6 o'clock. I trade at 6 a.m. So at 6 a.m. I noticed that we actually do not go down first. We actually go up and go to towards the mid, goes towards another level to the upside, like midnight open or something else that you you get familiar with. I get familiar with levels, like something that repeat more than one time in the day. I mark that down as well. Um, I did 12-hour analysis, like I do my everything. I do the 12-hour and I drop down to the 4 hour, and then I mark down all these little wicks and what that's telling me, right? Um, so it tells me uh, this this week right here was something happened here because the reason this week happened is because it didn't like the price or sellers came into the picture. So if I go there and I brought down to the 15 minute and I look for my setup at the 15 minute, and this is when I get into the ICT type of thing. Like I see high, low, high, high. I see low. I see a breaker right here, so I could take a trade from this breaker. You know, like things like that. Like when they get there again. So
Mm.
I go. What happened when I got there? Like shit like that. Like I be going by my day. I be playing with the data that I have. All of this 12-hour boom. You see, that was a breaker. That was a sell. Look, hey, without me, we were here, right? So I marked that down, and I didn't have to go there. I know something happened there because the 4 hour told me that
Hmm.
that wick told me, hey, we were here when I marked it, right? I went to the 15 minutes, so, and little nuance like that make sense. Like those wicks make sense to me. Higher time frame wicks are keep like that happened at a what say always say the 10:30, the 10 o'clock reversal. That happened at 10 o'clock. A perfect
Hmm.
timing, right? Perfect timing. 10 o'clock. I marked that down. Oh, 10 o'clock reversal. Boom, boom, boom. Look, it happened. 4 hour week, 12 hour, all day, every day. Then I do that with my data and I put it all together and it gets even better. And yeah,
Appreciate
that's
it.
it.
Appreciate it. Yeah, man. So, I wanted you to share that because I think, that replay button is great, but the way like how you showed it, like going through your week, looking back at price, seeing what you did, what you could do better. Um, for me, what it does is just price and pattern recognition, right? So, shout out to the ICT macro times and all of that. But for me, it's like now, you know, the 4 hours my favorite, but I know okay at 10 o'clock there's usually like what we say is just a switch over. 2 o'clock there's a switch over. 6 a.m. there's a switch over. Basically, you get new candles or whatever. And at those key times, you know what I'm saying, you just gonna start to see the same old patterns over and over again. And then at that point in time, shit, it's almost like second nature. You know what I mean? That's why Dre said he loved the 6 a.m. trade. He done back tested it and traded so many times. He know exactly what to look for. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's another thing. You're gonna find out yourself. Like you gonna find yourself why you like it's ICT told you a million things, a million said, a million things to look at the market. But
Mm-hmm.
until you find your setup and you marry your setup that repeats every single day, you like, damn, that thing happens today, on Tuesday, on Wednesday. and I see it, but I didn't play it. Okay, well, my job is let me play it again and replay and learn how to play in a 15-minute time frame. If the 15 minutes showing me this, well, next time I see that, I take my short, I take my long, I put my stop here, let it go. Yeah.
Nice.
Salud.
Appreciate it, brother. Carl said trading is a high performance profession on par with major league athletes. If you train like it, you will see the results. It takes a ton of effort to perform at a high level day in and day out. Carl, it is so funny you said that, bro. I was literally telling one of my community members. We was talking to I think she's in the chat, Shauna, about that, where you got to practice how you play. You play how you practice. So you absolutely right in that. You have to treat trading like it's a sport. You have to train yourself like it's a sport. Especially to me, especially intraday trading. Right, when you trade in futures and intraday trading, that intraday trading to me is trading at the highest level because it is truly all about precision. You don't really have the luxury to sit back and let time work to your advantage, right? Like intraday trading is very precise. And that's the difference between trading and investing. Investing, you could just buy something and hold that shit and then look back in a year. Trading, nah, it's a little bit more nuance to it, right? And I think that's where a lot of people go wrong, or at least traders who kind of fail, is that they very much so take an investing approach, whereas trading it's a different ball game. It's a whole different ball game. I did exit my I got out of my gold trade again. We about to go into 9, and usually it likes to retrace at 9 into 10 o'clock. So I'm gonna see. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna wait till 10 o'clock to see if we get a better setup. So, but I am. Let me see, how many trades did I take? Yeah, I only took 2 trades, so I'm 2 for 2, but I ain't really make much.
Yeah.
Carl said, "Keep that replay button like your game tape. You are 100% about intraday trading. It's a profession of its own." Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely, bro. Intraday trading is a whole nother beast.
Science. It's
J Max
science.
said, "You said what, Dre?"
It's like science.
Yeah,
It's like a lot of it is a million ways to trade in the market, like millions, bro. Everybody got their own thing at the end of the day, but you gotta find your thing.
you got to find your
What
thing.
you're like. Okay, you can't take from me, from Zay, from Quadree, from M7, ICT,
Whoever, right?
whoever you want. You get me? You find yourself, then yeah, like that's when it clicks. That's when everything clicks. When you can pass accounts in a day in a week, you pass through accounts like nothing. Like it's nature now. They probably is not passing the account. They probably is keeping the money.
I was about to say that. J-Back said, "Facts, Zay. I would get frustrated with futures because I would be right about where price is going, but my entry was early. With options, you don't have to be as precise because you could buy time. Exactly, right? You have a little bit more, got a little bit more leeway, with options. And if you got time, you don't, you have a little bit more wiggle room. You know what I mean? With futures, you ain't really got that wiggle room like that, bruh." That's why I identify myself as a scalper for futures. Yep. Watching reaction at Koji said she watched it for reaction at 264.75, Dre.
Yeah, she knows.
Yeah, I'm so glad I cut that trade because we are retracing up. I knew it. I knew it.
She gang. I'm long, baby. Let's go.
Oh, you long?
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait. I probably won't take my next trade till 10. With that being said, I am gonna go ahead and lock myself out.
I'm still eating. If it's ever going to come.
Hmm.
All right, now that I am waiting, I'm about to clear some stuff off here. Go here. All right, let's see what we got. Let me get rid of that.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
All right, let's look at some things here. Now that I got I'm out of my trade, let's see what I'm looking at here. Man, y'all, what I will say, bro, is
What?
these weeklies. So let me well, I know you long, but I just want to share what I'm looking at. All right, so on the ES last week, this was last week's candle. We took the low and now we are above the high. Sweep the low, now we above the high. So accumulation. I hate to say this is I thought this would be a manipulation week, and it still could be manipulation. And I think I actually, what's up, Ali? I talked to, I forgot who I was talking to, but my thought was this: is that if the market wants to do a pullback, say August and September, wouldn't manipulation be to the upside to get more people in and then bring it down, do distribution to the downside in August and September? So it would make sense that we would attempt to break out this week, go higher, get expansion next week. That's going to really have everybody FOMOing in. You get the market up to 6450, 6500, and then that's when you pull the rug.
Yes,
right?
sir.
So with that being said, you can see how the ES took out and swept last week's low. Now we are above this high. As long as we can stay above this high, I think we can continue to expand. 6400 will be my first target, right? If you look at the NQ, and let me clean this up. So I'm going to just move that there. I'm going to get rid of that. And this is where we can see the manipulation, because the NQ did not sweep last week's low, but we are well above this high. Came close, but not quite, right? And then you got the YM, which 100% took out last week low and the week prior. So that's why I like for the YM to really play catch up, because it's got a ways to go. And I'm actually going to move that one there. So the YM needs to get up to 45, 131, right? And then you got RTY, which again, it swept last week's low, but it hasn't gotten back above. And I'm actually going to put that one there. So 22,926 on RTY would put it above here. And then you take out that high. So like, if we're looking for manipulation to happen this week, and if we're thinking we're going to continue to go to the upside, then, I would say that it would be good to see RTY take out last week high, which will put it at 22,926. I would say we want to really see the YM play catch up, get above 45,131. For the NQ, I mean, it can kind of just consolidate. It really don't have to do much if it allow, just don't fall off a cliff. Because that would mess things up. We don't really want to see it fall off a cliff. But as long as that can kind of stay solid and the other two can catch up, then that's what we could do, or that will allow the ES to kind of again continue to go higher. And so that's again what I'm looking at. As well as this has been a hell of a run from basically those lows in April.
Yeah.
Hell of a run.
Blow off top.
Hell of a run. No, this ain't even a blow off top. This not even a blow off top. This This is just wave 3, bro.
Yeah.
This is just wave 3. This is just wave 3. We're gonna do a little pullback, and then after this wave 4 pullback, we get that wave 5 extension. That's gonna be the blow off top. When we get to about 7,000 on SPX, that's the blow off top right there. Strat K say, if you was aiming for Monday high on NQ, you got blended. I was looking for it too, though. He said we made a low of the year in April last year too. We did. We definitely did. So yeah, man. Yep. Very much so. Very much so. And then I would say another thing that I'm, just preparing for. And again, I would say shout out to Dre for this one, right? From his ICT days, that Q3 pullback. We know it's coming. Traditionally Q3 is, is the softest quarter. I won't say the weakest. I'll just say the softest quarter. And so if I put the ES on, I don't even know if I could do it. Maybe I can add a time. Am I able to add a time joint on here? If I want to do a new time frame, how do I?
Top Step? No.
Yeah.
You can't.
Can't do it. I can't.
Mm-mm.
Well, damn.
They got the option. That's all you can. Whatever they got, they can't do no 12 hours and none of that.
Yeah. All right. Well, I mean, I can still do a monthly though. So we made our low.
Oh yeah, monthly you could do.
Yeah, we got we're working on the three green soldiers, 3 white soldiers. I call them green soldiers. Some people, call it technically 3 white soldiers. But I mean, just think about it like this. If, third quarter is July, August, September, you'll make your quarterly high in July, and then August, September, you get your pullback. October, you kind of make your Q4 low, and then November, December, you usually kind of, run up. So for me, what that would look like, I don't even know if they're gonna have my tool. Oh, they got it. So you run up, we make a hold up. I gotta cut this off because they're gonna have this magnet is about to. So you run up to about 6,500. Say July, then August and September, get you a pullback.
My people.
October, kind of make you low, and then by the end of the year, you explode up, So something like that. So what also will help me is if we do get to 6,500, if you do, I could just use my info line, do it. I'd say 12% pullback from the all-time highs. Look at that. Beautiful. A 12% pullback from all-time from 6,500 on the ES get you right to the China gap. Right to the China gap. How about that?
Beautiful.
So beautiful.
Symmetry.
Yeah. So beautiful. Symmetry. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. And then that end of the year bounce from the China gap. Get another good 20% run, blow off top. That puts you at 68.8 for the end of the year on the ES. That would be beautiful. That would be beautiful.
Fantastic.
Dre, you in trade?
Hey.
Or no?
Yeah, I'm still long, baby. What happened? Yeah.
Oh, you in? Oh, all right, let me. Quadree, you in?
Not my setup.
No, not. We got. I see we got some new folks in the chat. What's up, Juan? What's up, Mello? Carl, he said, Quadree, how you like first week with Mickey and all the statistics? Talk to us, Dre. How you talk to us, Quadree? How's the boot camp going, brother?
Yeah, bro. I love that
You've been
stuff.
quiet tonight.
It's, I'm sitting here trying to catch a trade, but nah. No, I mean I love it, man. The statistics part it's crazy because I was in M7 joint. This joint way better, I tell you that. But like I always like data, math, and be able to for me it'll help me hold my trades a little longer and also cut my trades, with the ranges and stuff like that. It's good to learn that stuff. So sure, I'm ready to do the business plan starting tomorrow. So A1.
Dope, dope. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good
Yes.
stuff.
I ain't gonna lie though, bro. I'm tired though. I ain't gonna hold you.
It's intense, huh?
Yeah,
I'm not used to it. Well,
it's all day.
today was yesterday and today. Yesterday I went home. I came home from work, went straight to sleep, bro. I went straight to sleep. Got up like 10 o'clock.
But look, like
I'll be up early. That's right.
But you can tell, like the people in the chat, like most of them, they in the boot camp, so they see this shit every day, bro. It's like all day.
Like, but
So this is
it's kind of like, and trust me, I've been training for a while. It's just when you start seeing like it's cool, you can learn new stuff and also seeing it in a different light. So it's just like right now, I probably would rush to do a move, but I'm not really about it right now. So teach you desperately discipline, boy.
Carl said, "I see you putting in the time, bro. Tell me about it. I'm on the West Coast. I'm up at 2:30. Loud. Actually, Carl, we talked about it earlier. I think Dre was telling us that you in LA.
Yeah, he said you was in LA.
Yeah, you in LA. So, boy, you are. Whew. When do you sleep, Carl?
Yeah.
Let me ask you that. When do you sleep? Because you up with us right now. So it's probably like 5 or it's probably 6 o'clock.
6 there, yeah.
Probably like 6 o'clock on LA time. When do you sleep, bro? If you up at 2:30, shit, I hope you go to sleep about 7, 8 o'clock.
Yeah, because in the market open. I mean, you probably get a little quick napping.
Bro, he got to sleep sometime. He can't be up. He can't be up all the time. He got to.
yeah.
Mello said it didn't really start to make sense until month 2 for me. Once you repeat the same process every day, it starts to make more sense. And then south near, he's saying where he's at. He said he gets 4 or 5 hours a night. Yeah, I'm with you, bro. That's probably what I get. I get about a good 4 or 5. If I get 6 or 7, that's a really good night.
Yeah,
that's a really listen.
If I get 6 or 7, that is a good night.
Do I look? I could sleep when I die, man.
That's how I feel. I ain't even gonna fry. I hate saying it that way, but I'm like, bro. And one day I saw a study, and it talked about like let's say you live 75 years, you make it to be 75 years. You actually slept. I think I can't
45.
No, it's not half, but it's damn near a quarter. Like you was alive for 75 years, but you slept a total of like 20 to 25 years.
Yeah,
I've never looked at it that way.
You said what?
I've never looked at it that way. So you really,
bro, that's why I didn't look at it that way either till I saw that stat, and I was like, wait a minute, bro. How did I sleep 25 years of my life away?
Facts, bro. So,
but when you think about it, it's 24 hours in a day. If you supposed to sleep 8 hours a day, you up 8. You know what I'm saying? You doing, you know what I mean? So when you do the math, it's like, damn, yeah, I really slept a third of my life away. It's crazy to think of it that way, but damn,
that's crazy. The thing about like being an athlete, like we put in time and stuff like that too. But one thing about what we do with training and stuff like that, at least you at home, yo. Imagine being when you an athlete, you really miss your whole child life or entertainment. Yeah. They don't even know you.
Damn.
Think about it. They travel all the time, then they always working out. Then they, like, bro. Yeah. I mean, football players, they got a little good though. They only play once a week, practice 3 days a week. Really don't practice. But baseball, y'all playing 6 months out the year.
Yeah. It's crazy, bro.
Zay said, I'm sleeping too much. I need to bring that number down. Growing up, Jamaica say, you need your sleep to heal. Now that is true. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying like don't sleep, because it is essential. We need to sleep so we can grow, we can heal our body, repair all of that. But again, I'll just say it's just a crazy stat to think about. When it's all said and done, approximately you sleep a third of your life away. Now, granted, you probably need that 30. You probably need to sleep that 30 of your life so you can live the other 66%. You know what I'm saying? you need that third of sleep to live the rest. Yo, Carl said, gotta put a stop loss on sleep. Hey, yo, I'm weak.
Yo, Curry, too much.
Hey, you gotta put some risk management principles on your sleep.
Yeah. This guy.
Oh man, yo.
I'm gonna steal that.
That is hilarious, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Since I bought that Trump coin, I'm at 5%.
Oh damn!
You say you bought the Trump coin?
I'm at 5% since we talked about it.
Wait a minute, is crypto is still going? Let me go take a look.
Yeah, Bitcoin then went up like 1,000 since we've been on.
Oh no. Yeah. Oh. Larry's in the building. What's good, bro? It's a slow night, Larry. It's a slow night, Larry.
Facts.
Ain't really been doing much, man. Is China market open yet? Nah, not yet. I think it's about to open in a minute though.
Or don't it open at 8:30?
It is. Let me see. No, it ain't open yet. 9:30.
9:30. Okay. Yo, Dre, you still trade Nikki?
What? Nick? No.
Mm-hmm.
I don't trade that no more.
I know you don't. I just wanted to ask you.
Oh my God, you're right, Quadree. I'm looking at crypto, Ethereum. It's about to get to that. It's about to get to my 3,900 target.
I bought something
over the weekend.
I bought some of that too, yo. I was like, forget it, bro.
Yeah.
We about to have an altcoin summer, bro.
They get XRP at 352.
I know. And look, my stepdad he is pissed off at me.
You see my chart? Look.
Yeah, we got yours up, Dre.
No, my cousin, he's still in it. He up crazy.
What's that right there? What you looking at? What's that? Oh,
Bitcoin market
cap.
So when this drop,
starting to go down.
This is good for altcoins.
Yeah, that's why I say we gotta have an altcoin summer.
So when we got that, we got that high, right? And this is this is the opposite. So you see buy level here. This is when you buy altcoin. You buy here, Ethereum, all of that good shit. And now you're just chilling.
Yeah. Dave said Trump. He said Trump is about to hit a major breakout, brother. That's a good buy. Dave Miller said that's a good buy, Quadree, on that Trump coin.
I know, man. The Maverick told me. I'm gonna keep using that, boy.
Yo, real talk. I'm thinking about I want to find a way to incorporate that, but I'm definitely about to incorporate that.
Where is Bob, bro? I'm about to put a little horse next to your name.
Actually, you know what? Let me see if I can change my name. I can.
But you can do, but you the marketer, bro. You could go all types of ways with that.
Hey, look, you see it now, Quadree? Solana meme, guys. It's a trust me situation. Yep. Look, I just look, pure speculation on the Trump coin. I ain't even gonna hold you. There is no rhyme or reason behind it except for the fact that I think President Trump will pump his own coin. Like,
and because he said that, what I just did was put enough money in there like I would do a parlay.
Yeah, there you go. That's basically what I'm doing is a parlay. Cozy said good because I've been holding Trump coin since it came out. Yeah, I think it. Yo, I would not be surprised if Trump coin goes to $100. Juan said Miller stop talking. Hey, Juan Sandoval. Let me ask you a question. Where are you from? And do you know? Fuck, I feel bad. It's my brother-in-law. My sister. What is her husband's name? I can't. Let me look this shit up real quick. It's on the tip of my goddamn tongue. Gio. Do you know a Giovanni Sandoval? One. He from Texas.
Hey. Nah, my guy from Ohio.
From Ohio. Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Let's see. Literally, that's my sister's new last name, Sandoval. That's her husband's last name. He in the military. He in the Navy.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
I was just wondering. Trump broke CEX because they all bought the top. Us trenchers are the ones who dumped on them. It'll be back. Yeah, that's why I waited. I was like, I'm not chasing that shit.
And look. Then guess what? You stumbled across. You look. Oh my God! It's at the bottom.
Who?
Trump coin. Adrian low for the low.
For the low, I caught it at the price when you're supposed to get it.
So look, all right. So,
you looking at it, Quadree? You want me to? I'll pull up your screen.
Yeah, looking at it on the yearly view. That's what it looked like, a big ass wick.
That's nasty work. One that I don't think so. Okay, one. I was just wondering, bro.
But weekly, look what it looked like.
Yeah, look at that.
And then daily, and then we just looking from a perspective like we pretty much. Let me take this off. We pretty much like bottoming out here.
Mm-hmm.
So all right, worst case, the low is still at $3. I mean $7.58. So 3 months ago.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's going.
If I was, the low that I've been using is the April lows.
Yeah, so that's the that was $7.58.
Boom. Yep.
Right. So you see it might crossed over.
Mm-hmm.
Then we go to the weekly. They ain't even no MACD for the weekly. But you see, we oversold crazy. All that's to say is the risk to reward is beautiful on this.
Asymmetrical risk, baby. Like you said, the Maverick.
And then we do the Zayfibs.
Zayfib.
Let's see. Or you want to put your fibs always to the top?
Yeah, I go. Yeah, I was gonna say for that, go always to the top. Look, that go to that all-time high to that low. Boom. There you go. Like I'm telling you, bro, it's gonna at least get back to that 50.
That's 100. But that look, yo, that 1.272.
It's $100. What I say? It's no. I'm telling you. Bro.
Mm-hmm.
Facts.
But if y'all want to learn how to do fibs, go join the runners.
Bro, them fibs been hitting lately, boy.
Fibs don't lie.
You said what?
The fibs don't lie.
No. Like I said, Dre, I've been back testing them, dog. I'm like, oh my God. So you gave me an idea that's what I'm gonna do this weekend. Is I'm gonna try to use my fibs on like a smaller time frame for the futures to see. I'm gonna do some back testing to see what that look like.
Yeah.
See what levels are respected. Kind of write that down. And go from there for sure. Mm-hmm. Damn, look, gold's starting to break down too. Son of a bitch.
That's how I used to trade too, bro. I used to trade with the fibs. Enter at 0.618. I don't even know how to do that no more. That's that optimal trading tree.
Right. I don't even.
That's ICT, bro.
Yeah, I was golly. Now it's finally breaking down. Dog.
Anybody know about the optimal trading? Let me go. Ooh.
Oh my god. Oh. Damn. But see, that wick would have, okay, I see what happened. It would have wicked me out though. That wick was crazy on that 15-minute.
Yeah, 9 o'clock. Ooh, that was vicious.
You see what I'm saying?
That was a vicious wick.
If you go look at gold, that wick, I'm glad I got out, and then
that would have had me. That would have had me really mad, bro.
Imagine they would have got me on that. So that's why I'm like,
yeah, that's that stuff that gold be doing that I don't be liking. Gold and oil,
and that's why I got out, because yes, you're so right. Like that shit is tragic, bro. Like, that is tragic. They would have got me. Like I was so mad. I would have been.
Imagine you was in profit like $400 or $500 here. You still was at your ooh, that one always to somebody break even.
Dog, they took a lot of liquidity with that one.
Yeah, somebody ain't happy about that.
What? Yeah.
That wick. Like,
yeah.
And see, look, hey, didn't I just say, I said from 9 to 10, it like to go crazy. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for 10 o'clock, and then I'm gonna just let the next 4-hour candle, and then that's when I'm gonna get back in. I did it last night, and it worked perfectly.
It's a 4-hour.
It worked perfectly.
9:30, 3 minutes.
Let's see. Oh, I see more comments. I missed comment. He lives by me. Wicks get filled for sure. Mello said, I remember your Sativa Saturday live streams, Trading World Small. Oh, yeah.
Who, Mello? Mello, for real? You used to watch my guy? Nah. Yeah, I know. Nah.
He said they didn't want to do that with Trump. Bought the coins. Yeah, gold is dirty like that. Yeah, I have a love-hate relationship with gold. I just started recently trading gold, so I like it, yo. I really like trading gold for real. Especially with the micros. It's enough to where I can put enough contracts on to where my risk, is I won't like if I get stopped, that's like cool. I'm down 300, 400, but I can have it as wide as I like to have my stops, and but also at the same time, I can have my targets wide too. And if I hit, with 2 or 3 contracts, I can still make 600-700 if it hits my target. So I like trading gold for real. Also, another reason why I like trading gold is if you look at the GLD ETF, gold is very like gappy, so you can catch the overnight move. You know what I'm saying? All day type of joint, like that trend trade that I like to do, Dre. So like that's why I really, really like trading gold.
Yo, something I'm really thinking about is that I was in this at $10, and right now it's at 15. It's at 5% overnight.
What is it?
Bull.
Weeble.
Yep. So now look, this is the same side with the Trump coin. To be real with you,
I was going to say it looked like the Trump coin.
I don't know what's so spectacular about this. I think this is one of them Wall Street bet stocks.
Oh, definitely. So you know what they betting on now?
They bring it back. Open book,
open door. That really, I've been seeing they talking about they gonna try.
Oh, I've been seeing that on Twitter too.
They try and pump it to $10. It's only like $1.
People was bringing back crypto trading in U.S. during crypto week.
Oh wow, of course it would.
Oh, it's going up because of crypto. Okay.
Of course, they see what's happening. They better get back in crypto.
What's the ticket for that open door trade?
Right open. Yep, that's it. The pump has begun.
Dang, 111%.
Yeah. They talking about taking that thing. They talking about taking that thing to $10 though.
I'm good.
Yeah, I can't mess with it. That ain't, you know, that's not my cup of. But again, something like that though, you can buy shares. You don't gotta like do no options and nothing like that. You know what I mean? It's cheap enough to where you buy some shares.
Bro.
That's
This
still
thing, that junk ain't never do that.
hard.
You remember this name?
Yeah.
Months ago, that junk ain't never do nothing.
They hype that up.
That was supposed to be like $12. What is? That's recovering. Boy, this play Toast killed me on Earnest one time, man. They beat Earnest, man.
And they sold it or they wicked it.
They sold that, man. They sold that drink down. That Q2 Earnest, them Q2 Earnest men was not happy for me. Remember when I had EMAT? I'm sitting there like, yo, what's going on with EMAT? Right.
Now look, AMAT right back.
Bro, EMAT. I got EMAT at like 170, bro. I just got down here.
Bro.
Cry.
I had Tesla puts, right? Last quarter. They joined did the worst earnings in history. In history. That shit went up, bro. That shit
Worst
went up,
earnings
bro.
in history and the stock still went up.
I'm like, ain't no way I'm playing earnings anymore. I'm like, no way. Not happening.
And then this one right here, this the killer. This joint was doing nothing. This sorry stock was doing. It's a good company. Don't get me wrong, but this thing was not doing nothing. Bro, I was up like 100% here. I'm good. It's going to 500. Now them calls I had was in the money, way in the money. But that joint was damn near negative.
Right.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 24-hour market, and yeah, stocks are going crazy. Shit, hood at 108 in the after hours.
Yeah.
I'm sick.
It's up 123%.
Huh?
That was another one. I had shares of that at $44.
I saw that shit way too early.
I had shares of that at $44. I sold them at like 60.
Bro, what is going on after hours? Because
yeah, stuff moving up, but this market ain't moving up. We only up 13.
That's what I'm like looking at individual names and they going crazy after hours. Sheesh. Here you go.
I'm sorry, man. Hood the best. I can't read. Hood is the best app, bro. Remember they say Robin be robbing the hood, but they the top of the hood now.
Right. Robinhood then came back, bro. They listened to the feedback and got better. Shauna, you caught gold, baby? I know you caught that. Mello said, what do I mean by gappy? Hold on here. Let me share my screen. I'll show you what I mean. So Mello, what I mean by like my trading view be going really slow. Like if I'm gonna pull up GLD. So GLD is the it's the gold ETF, right? And so let me go to like a daily. And he said I had a 10x leverage short on Luna at 99 the night before it went to 0001. Good God. So Mello, what I mean, huh?
That was crazy, car.
Right. So Mello, what I mean by gappy is just look at all these gaps. Damn near every day it makes a gap. Like literally almost every day this ETF does a gap. And the reason being is because gold, how gold trade overnight. So like if you want to, catch like this short, this whole entire gap, you could catch this whole move overnight, right? It bounced up. You could catch this move all the way overnight. So, that's what I mean by gappy, in that this ETF is gappy. So that means the overnight moves you can catch in the futures market. He said, all right, that makes sense. I thought you meant something else. Nah, not that. Yeah, that's basically what I meant. Yeah, that was my move. I would have mean, yeah. He said, felt good selling with a solid 20% profit till I woke up. Boy, I know you probably woke up like, what the fuck happened?
That's how you know when people be hitting them trades like that, or they be getting lucky, bro. You can't predict some of this stuff, bro. I don't care what
you can't.
What analysis you have done, you can't predict.
No, hold on. No. The people knows.
Well,
they know.
We're talking about retail.
Okay.
I'm not talking about insiders, man.
Oh. Shit.
Unless we got one of us got to take the L and like marry somebody from the Pelosi family.
It gotta be you. Me and Dre already married.
Listen,
right, B.
you can have two wives too. If y'all got just switch your religion, you be all right. Shoot. Yeah, you understand? You have enough money to feed everybody.
Bro, that's too much.
Nah, man. I swear they be cheating, bro. Ain't no way.
No way.
No way, bro.
And Profit Money said, man, I had Planeteer at 12 and sold at 14. Heish.
Oh. That's the shit, bro.
Yo, we all been there, man. Still been there no matter. We getting better and better and still be there.
He said the exchange will close you out of the trade. I saw it happen to a buddies of mine. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, bro. Look at gold. You gotta be kidding me.
That's your trade, Zay.
I know, man. But at the same time, that wick was nasty, son. If I was playing closer, but see, I also locked myself out till 10, so I didn't want nothing I could do anyway.
Yeah.
So, it is what it is. I'm trying to be more disciplined like you, Dre. If I don't get my move by 9, I gotta wait till 10, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, every time I take a super big L, it's because I traded after 11. I'm talking about during the day.
11 in the morning?
Yeah.
So then you know what that means you gotta do then, right?
Nah, trade.
You gotta stop trading that. Stop trading after 11.
I had one of my fundeds was about to renew. It's renewed, I think, Monday.
Mm-hmm.
So, bro, follow my setup. I went 3 NQ contracts. I'm like, boom.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, you saw what happened? Have you looked at the and it's like you know you about to take the L too. I already knew when I entered the trade that was the wrong mistake.
You don't feel good?
So look, boom. So look, I had took this short at 12:27. That's when we kept ranging. 12 to 1 we range, bro. At 2:00, it wicked me. It stopped me out. It went all the way to my target.
Hold on, my bad. Let me go ahead. You can show your
I'm like
okay. So yeah. Boom, this is my setup. I had this 1 o'clock. Yeah, so I had this pretty much this setup right here.
Mm-hmm.
I got confirmation on a short. Where was we at?
Damn.
And my boy was on there with me. You
You
seen it live happen. Right? Boom.
Mm-hmm.
I took it on the 1 minute actually. Where we at? There we go.
Mm-hmm.
That was my short. how this going. I just wanted. I wanted to get to 235. That was what it was. So tell me my luck, bro.
Damn.
You see my luck?
Yeah.
Nice luck. But yo, you already know we know how to do this thing, man. High first, low first 10, 15 minutes. I'm gooch. You feel what I'm saying? I'm like, yo, it's about to be a bet. Bruh, this candle here,
Damn.
like it never went to my TP. Now, should I
Mm,
take a profit? Maybe yes. So what happened? I'll tell you what really happened though. When we
mm-hmm.
did this here, I should have moved break even, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I was in the meeting. I'm in the office, no connection. I go outside. I'm then wicked out the tree,
Damn. That's.
bruh.
I mean, it happens, man. Shit.
Nah, but it's part of the game year. But I don't really care because that was like, you get this.
But that was today, 11 in the morning.
No. That was after 11 though. I took this trade at like 12:30. But like I
I'm
said,
saying that's today.
yesterday, yeah.
Okay.
So
But
we range pretty much after after 12.
hmm. Damn.
I would have got stopped on my target twice. And look, it went right to TP after hours. So,
My
but
trade's moving. Let's go, baby.
oh, you long?
Oh yeah, let me show Dre screen. I forgot he was in a trade. He finally got in the trade. Let's get it.
Yeah. I added to.
Oh, you at it?
Mm-hmm.
Now look, but this is my move right here. Actually, I'm about to go along with you too, bro, because this is the move. Swept
You
low.
sure? Because if we within 15 minutes of a candle close, that's one of your rules.
Right.
No,
I got away.
we swept the previous hour in Gucci.
Okay. All right.
Well, we need to close for me. We need to close over this, but that's really what's this? It's 9 points. But we gotta close above. We gotta close above it, so I gotta wait. But
Mm-hmm.
and it's the break on the 3 minute, but we still ain't closed over it though.
Yeah.
Mm.
It's weird because it's like so Dre takes the trades earlier than I do. I'll wait a little bit, but he's already in.
Side note, fellas, China market is open now, and it's up 1%.
Hmm.
Gotcha. Which they say they think the HS something. I got so many HDI,
HSI.
HSI. Yeah.
HSI. Mm-hmm.
So what's Japan again?
The Nikkei.
Nikkei.
Yeah, okay.
NKD.
Yeah, okay. That's Japan. Okay.
Yeah.
That joint be having gaps in it too.
Yeah.
The
that shit
Nikkei?
crazy.
Yep.
They should be moving though.
Yeah, I gotta find out. I did the analysis for Bitcoin. It says on the wave 5, they expect the 157.
Say that again.
So on Bitcoin, it's saying TP on Bitcoin is 157.
For this squeeze or for the end of the year?
End of the year. So I did right now. We're in wave 3. It says expect between 133 to 135. Retracement down to 120, 123. Then 120 to
You saying based on Elliott wave?
Elliott waves, yeah.
That theory. Hold on. You said that, and it gave you 157.
Yeah.
And that's if okay. Yeah. Okay. $130. And you said what was the pullback?
120 on wave 4. So it say wave 3 they got us going to 133. The 135. The lowest. My low was 93,000. Around there. Then wave 4 be between.
Nah, you gotta. You saying you're low for what? For wave 3 or what?
Yeah, my low for wave 3.
Your start of wave 3 is where?
Let me look at my fibs. I'll put my fibs at. Yeah, my fibs was at. So my 50% was at 93,252. I used a high of 111.
Okay, I got you. Okay, cool. I will keep that in mind. And yeah, you're right, Carl. Dre do be sneaky with those entries, boy. He be on it.
Yeah,
he be on it, man. Dre be like, I'm long. I be like, oh, bet. Then he be like, I took profit already. Yeah, what?
That boy, quick like Floyd, boy. Hit you with the 1, 2.
I be like, no, you just told me you was long. How do you already take profit already, yo?
Very quick like Floyd, boy. You ain't even see him hit you.
With the Agos, come in with that. Come in with the Agos. Boom, boom.
Yeah.
Nah, so prime example, you go back to my screen. I didn't take the trade because we wicked off. I didn't.
Oh, my bad. I took you off the screen. I meant to take Drake.
I know you went back to screen.
My bad. Here you go. There you go.
Yeah, so we didn't get the close that I wanted.
You wanted, okay.
We actually wicked, so that's what I learned from experience, bro. If I don't get that close, bro, I trade going the other way. Like sometimes it might mess around and come back, but I'll show you what my fibs were though. That's why you on my screen. This is how I had it mapped out. And that's the March low. So
you already know, Car. You know how we do, baby.
Oh, heck no, I ain't entering no trade. We at the last 10 minutes. I mean, I'm good.
I know. I just said that. I was like, Dre, we in the last 15 minutes.
I didn't realize it was 9:48.
Yeah, having fun.
Man, let me tell you something. But nah, bro, the wave, I ain't gonna lie, the wave is definitely going straight to funded, bro. I was doing math. I'm like,
I'll see you tomorrow morning.
A few hours.
A few hours.
Yeah, we about to we ended at 10 o'clock anyway. So.
Yeah. No, I was saying because I did the math, bro. What you be paying monthly, everything you go straight to funded. It's the same amount, one-time fee. But not a lot of people can't go straight to funded though. You really gotta be. I treat that account like a baby boy.
What the fuck is that?
Yeah, you have to.
You could say.
You good, my guy?
You good?
I got like a fucking fly or something got in my office. I was like, yo, it just like came out and I was like, yo, what the hell? I had to kill this one. That joke was huge, bro.
I hate one thing I do hate, bro, is them dragonflies. Now, nothing worse than them cicadas. I was in Maryland. Yeah. I was living out in Maryland, boy. Them things are ugly, bro. Ugly, and they just nasty looking. I almost crashed with one of them things when in my whip, boy. I ain't never seen nothing like that in my life.
Yeah.
Them things is ugly looking, bro.
Facts. Shit, nasty.
I ain't gonna lie though. They saying this the Florida BTC this year. I don't know.
You said it's the what?
They got this as the bottom 120 as a retracement.
I'm like, damn. That's why when you said 120, I'm like, man. I feel
like look at my fibs. All right, look at my fibs. You the fib.
I feel like we can get a better pullback than that. Shit, if that's the part, that's the case, I might as well buy some shit.
And that's
Huh?
You see my fibs? This
Yeah,
how
I'm
I.
looking.
So I marked this low here. That's the
Okay.
March April 7th low.
Yeah.
The high here.
Okay.
So it's going off of these.
Okay. So let me see.
So if I just screenshot what it's saying.
I mean, I'm like my fib is a little. I anchored mine a little bit differently. So I do have the 161 at 130. So I do think Bitcoin goes up to 130. But from there, you know, I would say that it's a possibility that it could pull back to about 96K. And then that would be the base for wave 4. But then again, you might be right, Quadree, because if I mean, like earlier we was talking about Bitcoin going to shit 185 by the end of the year, 200,000 by the end of the year. That shit, that might be all you do get.
So trying to see. I just took a screenshot of that thing. Where that? See, this is what it say.
Oh, all right, hold on. Let me see. And then, okay, wait for 123, and then the final leg. Okay. I got you. Oh, man. Well, we shall see. We shall see.
But that's the case, but you like, yo, I'm gonna throw something in there now.
Yeah, I'm like, if that's all the pullback we want to get, what the hell am I waiting on?
We at them levels now.
Mm-hmm.
Bro. Now I want us to get down.
Carl said 15 points come quick when you trade in the wick. I used to do it. And when I traded near protocol, when it went from 3 to 12 to 13, played it like a fiddle for a month or two. Quadree got a fib and a standard deviation all in one.
I do.
Who said that? Tracking?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, listen, I just want to say this real quick though. Since we've been on live, and I mentioned that Trump coin, that shit is up like 4% already.
I told you, bro. I tell you,
that's a Maverick trade right there.
Now, if I wake up tomorrow with that little Robinhood notification, Trump coin up 15%, I'm like, I'm gonna text you, thank you.
Yeah, man. It definitely was under $10 when we started it live.
I bought it at $10.04.
Yeah, so yeah, you bought it when it was at $10. I think when we started live, it was under $10. Yeah, good stuff, bro. I need to find me another little. I'm trying to find me another coin that can do a quick 5x or something.
Drano, he showed us that point that coin he showed us with no type of thesis. Which one was that? One? Remember we asked you showed us the coin. We was like, yo, bro, where you get that? I was like, what's your thesis on the coin? You was like, you don't even know. You just like
this.
it.
This one? Yeah, right here, Zay.
You gotta go to the screen.
Hold up, I got you. Hold up. Let me go to Dre's screen. What is it? What's it called?
I know people know about this coin.
Oh, look, it's up from the last time he showed us. Pole.
Yeah.
UST.
I don't know. This shit right here. Buckle up.
It got a little following to it. Oh, it's only a quarter. That's what I'm talking about, Dre. Perfect.
Yeah. This is what you need, bro. $100.
That joint is that's what I'm saying. That joint is a quarter. That joint, all I need for it to do is get back to $1. Good.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. You check it back in December. You talk to me.
Yeah.
Say less, man. What is it, Polygon?
Paul, yeah.
Oh yeah, I know Polygon.
That's
Oh,
the
you
betting
do?
site.
No.
Yeah, that's the people they do the betting.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, they got the betting platform.
Okay, there you go. The better.
I mean, so while let me do a little research on it while we here.
I know that.
Yeah, we got we talking about crypto the whole time. This is a future show.
Hey, look, we go. Listen, Mark ain't doing nothing. Something moving. Crypto
You
moving.
right. You right. Overnight been slow.
We don't, and we. What's crazy is we never really even talk about Bitcoin. I mean, we don't really talk about crypto like that anyway. That's how you know.
Mhm.
We know. You right.
Yeah.
You right.
Yeah, see, I got a couple coins that you trying to get some low prices.
Yeah. All right. Well, when we link up on Saturday, shit, or I might need to get them
Mhm.
sooner that because Saturday might be too late. But yeah, I'll hit you in the chat. But either way, when we link up Saturday or whatever, I want to take a look. But yeah, I'm trying to find some little cheapies or
Yeah.
find a one like one that can get some movement. Because I mean, really, if we're gonna have an altcoin summer, then I got some cash I can put into a few. Why not get a quick 2-3x and then sell that shit, and then I can put that into Bitcoin. You know what I mean? Because really, the goal is I'm just trying because when you think about risk reward, it's good. In order for Bitcoin to 3x, we talking about it's going to have to go to 300,000 from where it is. Where you can get one of these cheap coins, that shit get 3x tomorrow, and then you cash out and put that money in Bitcoin. So
I know a lot of people, not a lot, but few. That's how they got their money from
yeah,
altcoin.
bro, what? Dog, if altcoin summer is here, dog, we gonna be waking up. You're gonna be seeing coins up 200-300% in a day.
Yeah,
because what people gotta realize is some of these coins, they market caps be so small that you talking about a coin that might have a market cap of fucking $20 million. If somebody come in and drop 60 million, that's an automatic 3x. Quick.
yeah,
You know what I mean? So yeah, them altcoin summer here, it'd be every other day, boy.
All right.
But with that being said, fellas, we do have 3 minutes, so we about to wrap it up here. Get ready to log off at 10. Y'all got any final things y'all want to say to the people or leave off with before we catch them next week?
Stick to your people for sure.
Yeah.
I mean, stick to your trading plan, stick to your rules, stick to everything. Because them L's do hurt worse. They hurt really bad.
Yeah, especially tomorrow, Friday. If you doing bad, don't try and gain everything tomorrow. Just call it
Dre
a
talking
day.
to me. He says they don't have no more crash out Fridays.
Yeah, reset, come back. You never back test, go back, try it out, figure out, practice, and be patient. New highs. Don't short this market. Go, oh, it's not gonna go higher. Well, yes, it is.
Facts.
Remember, man.
Facts. And yeah, man, like the guy said, it's Friday. You want to try to end the week solid, so don't do nothing too crazy. And other than that, man, we'll catch y'all next week. Tuesday we'll be back, normal time, 7:15. And with that being said, man, y'all have a great week, have a great weekend, and y'all be safe out there, man. We out.
Peace out.
Peace.